Hello dear YouTube team, this is me Naveed Behzad with Mardan News PK. I hope you all will be fine. Sir, through this video I want to submit my appeal for acceptance on my YouTube channel for monetization. Please, my channel was not approved for monetization due to reused content. But sir, I want to clear that I am an original creator. I am a real creator. I create my own videos, my own content, and sir, you can review my channel. I have 33 videos in my channel Mardan News PK. All are my original content. I shoot all the videos and then edit and upload it on the channel after very hard working. Sir, I am working from about 3 years on social media, especially YouTube. I have two other channels beside this channel named as Behzad TV and Naveed Behzad, which are monetized. I create videos on my own cell phone camera with the support of a tripod and my computer. You can see, sir, and this is my logo which I always use to interview of someone in Pashto, how I interview someone. Assalamu alaikum. زه نوید بهزاد تاسو سره مخاطب یم او قدرمنو هیله لرم چې روغ جوړ او خوشاله به یې او ژوند به مو ښه تېرېږي. قدرمنو دا وخت ما سره د پښتو فلمونو نوموړی آرټسټ بدر منیر صاحب ما سره موجود دی. هغوی سره خبرې اترې کوو. زموږ سره اوسېږئ. How I edit my videos. Open Camtasia. Now we will copy files here to edit. Okay, we can short it or edit it, but there is no need to edit because I have shooted it yesterday through my cell phone camera in play and pause mode, so a little bit editing will be needed. This is the original volume. I can play. Listen, this is the original volume. We can add background music to decrease the original volume. This is downloaded YouTube library, copyright free music. We can get it from here. To add, we have added background music. Now here is my channel logo. I added. We will produce our video is ready to produce, but before that we can add some transition to become to look like our video very impressive. Transition added. Now we will produce in 7:30. Video is being produced and now you can watch the video being produced. So this is my creativity. You watch, sir. I hope, sir, you will imagine that how hard working I do. I produce my original content and upload on my YouTube channel Mardan News PK. I hope you will accept my channel for monetization. I will be very thankful you. Thank you, sir.